Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Carpeplús folder with refill and flap, a stylish and functional organizer designed by Elena Corredoira. This binder boasts a 25mm mixed 4D ring design, ensuring your documents are securely held, while its dimensions of 31.7 by 26 by 3 cm make it compact yet spacious enough for all your needs. It comes with a refill of 100 sheets, each 90 grams with a 5mm grid, micro-perforated for easy removal, and featuring colored edges for a touch of flair. To keep your subjects neatly organized, it includes 4 extra thick dividers, and the comfortable flap closure with an extra durable 15mm wide rubber ensures everything stays in place. The curved spine offers an ergonomic grip, making it perfect for taking notes on the go, and with its FSC certification, you can feel good about your purchase being environmentally friendly. Whether you're a student or a professional, this binder is designed to meet your organizational needs with style and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.